Yeah, it's a land. You know, I think you got to try to get between those two stumps.
Two stumps?
Yeah.
You think I can do that?
I don't know.
Oh, how good's your driving ability?
Just like-
That'd be a stunt driver.
I pay the bill, dude. I gotta pay for all the broken stuff. That's all. This is a mad machine.
For some reason, I ain't got no power.
Does yours go that fast, Dan?
No, he's got a 3-cell in his. That thing is wicked fast with a 3-cell.
It's mine. Yeah, turn it off.
You're gonna bust that thing doing the donuts with a 3-cell.
Go through your radio on.
How I got it last time.
We're gonna do tree climbing. I think at an angle.
It got like this high.
You gotta get it right up in here, I think. You gotta do it where it goes up.
There you go. There you go, James. Well, that was a good one.
Yeah, and landed.
That's like X Games high jump. I thought you were going to catch that, Aaron.
There wasn't wheels turning spinning.
I think he jumped in the videotape that.
I did. We'll put it on YouTube.
Yeah.
You gotta get more.
These wheels look dangerous when they're doing this.
You always land. This is just asking to break something.
Yeah.
Right.
Oh, so if you break. What'd you break something, Derek? Derek? He ain't saying nothing.
Oh.
Whoa, that was a good one.
And it landed. Where did you go on that one, Aaron? I don't know. You got up into the leaves up there.